Hey guys, when you're trying to set up your Ansible lab for the first time, you might face some issues. In this lecture, let's have a look at some of the common errors and how you can fix them. Now, the first thing to check is that you can SSH to the remote system without the need of typing a password. To do that, you need to go to the master system, type in SSH space username of the remote system @ hostname or the IP address of the remote system. And you should be able to SSH without the need of typing your password in. Now, if it does ask your password, all you need to do is first on the master system, go to your .ssh folder, do an ls and validate that you have your public and your private keys there. Next, what you can do is you can use the ssh copy id command and copy your keys over to the remote system. Now, if your keys are not there, you can generate them by typing in ssh-keygen. After you've done these two steps, you can then try and SSH to the remote system again. Now, once the SSH is successful, the second thing you need to check is that Python is installed on the remote system. You can do that by logging into the remote system and then typing in Python space -- version, and that should return the version of Python that is installed on the remote system. Python is needed because Ansible utilizes Python to run some of its modules on the remote machine. Now we can exit out of the remote system and let's clear the screen. Oops, fat fingers. Now, to establish that Ansible can connect to the remote machines, we can type in Ansible space -m ping and then the host name of the remote machine. You can also use a group there. Now, as you can see, it has come back with an error, and the error is that Ansible was not able to create a local directory. That means it was trying to create the directory locally on the master machine because we ran the command on the master, and it could not create the directory because permission was denied. So let's head to the directory. So the directory is /home/labit/.ansible. So let's see first if we can access that directory. .ansible, and as user labit on this machine, we get a permission denied when we try to log into that directory. So let's go to /home/labit instead, and let's do an ls -ltra to view the hidden directories and files. And as you can see, the hidden directory Ansible is actually owned by the user root, which is why we got the permission denied error. Now, to fix this, we need to log into the system as root and then go to /home/labit. Once in there, let's do an ls -ltra again just to make sure we're in the right directory. And here we need to type in chown to change the ownership to labit as user and labit group for .ansible directory. And let's run ls -ltra again. And as we can see that the ownership was changed. Now we can exit out from the user root and let's try and run Ansible -ping again. And as you can see, changing the ownership fixed the error for us, and now we're able to connect to the remote system. So these are some of the common errors you might face during your setup. With this, we've come to the end of this lecture. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.